Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you rules of science related to basic maths. This lesson will help you to find maths easy with the science. I am going to explain it with the help of the examples as you can see. Today my topic is rules of positive and negative numbers. In math we always use these type of the symbols like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In other words, we can say that these four symbols are the base of the maths. Now, how we can use these symbols as a rule? How? Your first rule is if you have one positive number, second is also positive number, the answer will comes in a positive form. Second rule is if one number is positive, second number is negative, then the answer will comes in negative form. Means to say that plus, minus, minus. Third rule is if your first number is negative, second number is positive, then the answer will comes minus. Means to say minus plus comes minus. Fourth rule is first number is negative, second is also negative. Means to say both numbers have a same sign. Same sign means to say first number is in negative form, second number is also in negative form. Then the answer will comes positive. Okay, these four rules you have to remember it. Positive, positive, then positive, plus, minus, 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 plus, minus, 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 plus. Okay, now one thing I want to tell you here, if I am writing here 3 and I am writing here positive 3 means to say plus 3, then here is no difference between these two numbers. 3 and positive 3 both are the same numbers. Here is no difference between these two numbers. Clear? Okay, now how we can use these types of the rules? Let's begin with multiplication. How we can use these signs with multiplication? Your first rule is, see, here we apply the first rule. Your first number is 4, second number is 3. As I told you, only 4 and positive 4. There is no difference between these. Plus 4 and only 4. Second number is 3, then here is 3. Now we have to multiply these two numbers. 4 into 3 will be 12. Means to say plus. Now firstly we will multiply with these two integers. 4 into 3, it's क्या है 12. Now arranging the signs according to the rules, plus, plus, plus. Clear? Then here positive 12 will come. Means to say your answer is 12. Now come on the second rule. Second rule, see, positive first number is in positive form, second number is in negative form. 3 in positive form, second number is in negative form and negative form. Now 3, here comes positive 3, multiply minus 2. Same, firstly multiply these two integers. 3 multiply 2 will be 6. Now calculate about these signs. Signs plus, minus, what comes? Minus. Means to say your answer is minus 6. Clear? Third rule is, first number is in negative form, second number is also in negative form. Now firstly you have to multiply these two integers. 3 multiply 3 will be 9. Now calculate these signs. Minus, first number is in negative form, second number is also in negative form, and as I told you, minus comes positive number. Here you can see minus minus what will come? Plus. Then we can say that minus minus will be the plus. तो यहाँ पे आपका क्या हो गया? +9 is your answer. Fourth one is, if you have the first number is in negative form, second number is in positive form, and we have to multiply these two numbers same as it is. Firstly, you have to multiply the integers. 4 multiply 3 will be 12. Secondly, you have to calculate the signs. Minus and here is plus. Plus minus minus. Then minus 12. Then you can say that minus 12 is your answer. Here are these 4 rules on multiplication. Now similarly, we will discuss about these 4 rules on division, addition and subtraction. Your first is division. Same as it is, you have to follow this procedure. You have first number is in positive form, second number is also in positive form. You have to divide these two numbers. 4 divided 2 will be 2. Here 4 is also in positive form. As you can see, 2 is also in positive form. Then your answer will also comes in positive form. You can say that +2 or 2 is your answer. Second rule, first number is in negative form, second is also in negative form. Then firstly you have to calculate these two integers. 12 divided by 2 will be 6, and now you calculate these two signs, means to say minus minus what will come? Plus. Then +6 is your answer. Third rule is, first number positive, second number is in negative, and you have to divide these two integers. Firstly, you divide these two integers without the signs. 12 divided by 4 will come 3. Now calculate the sign. Second में आप क्या करोगे? You have to calculate the sign. Here first sign is positive, second sign is negative. Now calculate these signs. Plus minus minus. Then your answer is -3. Next one is, fourth rule is -16. First number is in negative form, second number is in positive form. -16 divided 4. Same procedure you have to follow here. Firstly, you have to divide these two integers. 16 divided 4 comes 4. Second, you have to calculate the sign. Here is negative, here is no sign. There is no sign, we can place here positive. Then now calculate these two signs. Minus plus what comes? Minus. Then you can say that -4 is your answer. Clear? Okay, now we will discuss about addition, multiplication and division. You have to follow these types of the rules directly, but in addition and subtraction there is a little bit difference about it. See how it's. Firstly, you have positive number, second also you have positive number, and we have to calculate these two numbers. We have to add these two numbers. 4 plus 4, what comes? 8. Clear? Here only 8 or +8. Here is no difference between these two numbers. Clearly? Second rule is, first number is in positive form, second number is in negative form, and we have to add these two numbers. First number is 12, second number is -13. We have to add these two numbers. Then how we will add? Firstly, you have to remove this bracket. First step. Your first step is, you have to remove this bracket. How you can remove it? 12, same as it is. You have to calculate these two signs which are placed between these two numbers. Plus minus comes minus. Then your new statement will comes +12 minus 13. Clear? Firstly, again I am repeating, if you have two numbers and here is a one bracket, firstly you have to remove the bracket. How you can remove it? 12 as it is, 13 as it is, plus minus comes only one sign. One sign means to say plus minus comes to only minus. Then now next is my plus 12 minus 13. Now follow the rule. Plus minus what comes? माइनस 13 में से 12 गया 1. क्लियर? यहाँ तक आपको क्लियर है. बट as I told you, here is a little bit difference in addition and subtraction. What is the difference is here? See, firstly we have to follow the rule. Plus minus minus 13 में से 12 गया 1. Second thing we have to check it from these two number, which number is a greater. Here is 13 is a greater except 12. Then 13 is a greater number and in front of the 13 minus is here. Then you have to write this subtraction in the answer. Then you okay, now you have to clear it. Minus 1 is your answer. Now the third rule is, if you have your first number is in negative form, your second number is also in negative form, how we will add these two integers? First, same procedure you have to again follow it. Minus 3 as it is. In the first step you have to remove this bracket. How you can remove this bracket? You have to conclude these two signs, means to say plus minus what will comes? Only minus. Clear? Now minus 3 and minus 4. Minus minus according to the rule what comes? Minus minus plus. Then 4 and 3 plus will be 7 and second 7 is here. Second thing we have to check it, which number is a greater? 4 is greater or 3 is greater? 4 is greater than 3. Then in front of the 4 here is a minus. Then we will use this minus in the answer. Your answer is minus 7. Clear? Now your fourth rule is minus 4 plus 3. Your first number is my negative form, your second number is in positive form, and we have to add these two integers. See, same procedure you follow it. Minus 4 as it is. Firstly you have to remove this bracket. Plus according to the rule, plus what will be? Plus. Now plus minus 4 में से 3 गया माइनस करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 1. And which one is greater? 4 is greater or 3 is greater? 4 is greater than 3. Okay, 4 is greater than 3 and in front of the 4 is minus is here. Then you can use this minus in the answer. Your completely answer will be minus 1. Clear? Now come on the subtraction. How we will add the integers? See, your first is, you have one number is positive, second integer is also positive, and we have to subtract these two integers. 4 minus 3 will be 1. Here 4 is greater number, 4 is greater and in front of 4 is positive sign. Then this positive we will use in the answer. Then plus 1 is your answer. Your second rule is minus 4 minus 3. Your first number is in negative number, your second number is also in negative number. Both have the same sign and we have to subtract these two integers. How we will subtract these? Minus 4 as it is. Firstly remove this bracket. How you will remove it? Firstly you have to remove this bracket. Minus what comes? Plus. Now plus minus 4 में से 3 गया 1. दोनों में से बड़ा कौन सा है? 4 के आगे जो साइन है we will place that sign is here. Now minus 1 is your answer. Clear? Okay. Come on the third rule. You have one negative number and second number is in positive form, -3 and 4, and we have to subtract these two numbers. Again same procedure you have to follow it. Firstly minus 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 minus, what comes? Plus. 4 or 3, 7, and which one is greater? 4 is greater, and in front of 4 is minus is here, then -7 is your answer. Clear? Now the fourth rule is, what say fourth rules? First number is 12, second number is -3, means to say first number is positive, second number is negative. What we will do? Firstly we will remove this bracket. 12 same as it is, minus minus, according to the rule minus minus comes plus. Plus is here, 3 as it is. Now add these two numbers, 12 and 3 will be 15. Which one is greater? 12 is greater. Here is no sign, there is no sign. We always suppose that here is a positive. Then you can say that plus 15 is your answer. Clear? Okay. Okay. Only in addition, here one note I had given to you. Only in addition and subtraction, check the greatest number and place that sign in answer. जो हमने किया है, जो आप चेक करोगे, जैसे ये वाला क्वेश्चन था 4 and 3, 4 is greater, 4 के आगे कौन सा साइन है? माइनस, then you can place this minus into the answer. Clear? Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.